So, you've probably seen some online course claiming that you can make money hundreds of dollars a day in 24 hours without doing any work. And you just click a magic button and money starts flying out of your piggy bank or whatever. And you might have felt intrigued to get it, and you've probably gotten it, and so have I. And once you go through all of it, and you've probably wasted money, time, and energy on it, and you suddenly realize it doesn't work. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 a day for free on Clickbank. Stay tuned. But if you want to take a shortcut and start making money as soon as next week, click the link in the description where it's going to take you to a Done For You System affiliate marketing program that's going to teach you everything you need, and they're going to give you all their funnels and emails and everything. You just have to drive traffic, that's all. So by saying that, let's get into this video. Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make or get up to $100 a day or more on Clickbank for free using free traffic from online, and I'll show you the traffic later on in this video, so stay tuned. So step number one, which is the most important step, and that's how you get paid, is of course creating a Clickbank account. So all you do is go to clickbank.com, create an account, fill everything that's in here, all your information, and at some point they're gonna ask you some questions about how much experience you have as an affiliate, and for those questions you want to put the answers that show that you have experience. Even if you don't, it's okay, they don't know you, they don't know your life, they don't know everything. So just put the answers that shows you have experience, and you'll get approved by Clickbank, and you can start making money. So the second step would be to find a converting offer. So first you have to choose your niche, which is the category basically you're in, on the category of products you're going to promote and you're going to talk about. So all you do is when you go into the back office of Clickbank, you press marketplace, which is going to bring up this page, and these are all the categories and niches they have so you can promote anything in these categories. So for today's video we're going to go into e-business and e-marketing niche, which is what this page is about. If you want more videos like this, smash that subscribers button. So when you come to the offers page, you want to sort results by gravity. This is important because you want the offers that are converting the best and making the most money for you. So as you can see, one of them is AZ Code and the second one is Clickbank University. For AZ Code is gravity of 92.05. That means 92 affiliates have made money in the last week promoting this offer. So all you want to do is find a good converting offer, go into the sales page, and these sales pages have been made to convert. So you don't have to do the work. All you do is just tell people about it, give some value first, tell people about this offer after you give value to them, and then they're just gonna come and buy it. So you go check this, see if it's congruent with your whatever you're talking about and your brand, if you have a brand. And then when you come here, you check it if it's good, and this should be good because 92 people have already made money with this in the last week, so you know it's converting. So all you do is click promote, get this, you can put a tracking option, you can create your affiliate link, this piece of shit, long piece of shit. So if you want to make this better, all you do is copy it, go to bit.ly.com and then press create. This is a link shortener, so you paste your long link there, and then it's gonna bring you a short link, and you can customize it any way you want. So what we're gonna do is just put make money online fast. Okay, make money online fast. Make money online easy. Okay, you just copy this link, and now for step number 3, which is traffic. The most important part of your business, traffic. If you don't have traffic, I don't care even if you have the most highest quality sales page, the best offer, the most converting, the ones that have good conversions. If you don't have traffic and eyeballs on your product, you're not gonna get any sales. So traffic is the most important part. So what we're gonna do for traffic is free. There's paid traffic and there's free traffic. Paid traffic, you can pay someone to give you traffic, or Google or Facebook or anything, but I believe free and organic traffic is the best. So what we're gonna use for today is Instagram. Now Instagram has blown up. I think 80 million people are on Instagram, and I think half of that are active every day. So imagine what 0.1% of people seeing your link or affiliate product, how would that change? How would that convert? And you could make a lot of money with this. So all you do is go to Instagram, and I found this page on Instagram. All he does is post affiliate, I mean, not affiliate. All he does is post motivational quotes. So, and inspires people to take action in their business and everything. You can see that he has 3 million followers, and all he does is just post simple pictures of motivational quotes. You can do that, guys. I can do it, you can do it. That's easy. He's not someone, or she's not someone that higher than you or knows more than you. All they did is just they took action and they stayed consistent. And some time later, they have 3 million followers, and they can make money now. So you make a niche based Instagram account, and you start posting quality pics consistently. The most important is you stay consistent and you post quality posts. People aren't gonna look at your post and follow you if your content is trash. So make sure to post quality pictures and videos on Instagram. And one thing I learned, and this is a free hack, is you can repost viral content about whatever's relevant in your niche, and give the credit to the owner. And people are, when they're looking for that, they're gonna come across your page, and if you have quality content, they're gonna follow you. So once you start gaining some followers, you can put an affiliate link right in the bio. So make your first make your bio very eye grabbing and mm, uh, like curiosity based bio. So when people look at it, they would want to check your link. So you post your link, which we made right here, make money online easy. That's not the best, but you can make it better and post it here. And that's another way of um, creating a curious link. So once you post, put your link here. When you start gaining followers, there some of the followers are gonna click that link if they're curious, and if you have a high converting offer, they're gonna buy it. So that's basically it. So one bonus tip is for you to create a capture page. What a capture page is simply, let me find one. Capture page. What a capture page is, it's basically this. It says like make money online today fast, $100 a day, and then people put their first name or yeah, basically first name and their email. That's the best. And then you give something free to them, which will basically you're giving them something for free for their email address, and their email address is worth more than some free thing. So you want to grab that email address and get a autoresponder, which would be get response or Aweber. I think get response is better. You basically sign up, and then this collects the email addresses you got. And then once you collect those email addresses, you can start sending offers after offers after offers. Basically, you have that customer for the lifetime that they stay in your autoresponder. So you can make more money from one customer more times. You don't get one sale and then that customer is gone. So back to what we're talking about, Instagram. So you create that capture page, you get that email address, and you start sending them offers after offers after offers. But first, get them to like, know, and trust you so they would buy those offers. If you just send them links after links after links, they don't know you. Why would they buy from you? And when they get to know you, you after that point, you're not selling them anything. It's just it feels like you're recommending that product to them. So it's more easier for them to buy it. So guys, if you learned something from this video, like that, smash that subscribers button, and if you have any concerns or questions, comment them down below. And if you want to get a shortcut to your success, click the link in the description where it's gonna take you to a company that I'm with that's teaching me everything I need to know to start an online business. Everything's done for you. Emails, capture pages, what we talked about, you don't have to make them. And they send out the emails so you don't have to learn how to create those emails and send them out. Also, their affiliate program, which you can sell their products and get commissions. So if you want to get into that, click the link in the description and you can get started from there. I'll see you next time.